अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज के सेशन में हमारे साथ जुवेरिया नाज हैं, जो 3 नवंबर 2022 फैज़-ए-आम ट्रस्ट को आप अपनी स्कॉलरशिप के लिए रुजू हुई थी। गुफ्तगू के दौरान फैज़-ए-आम ट्रस्ट ने ये बच्ची की सलाहियतों को गौर किया और ज़रूरी समझा कि इनको एक लैपटॉप मुहैया किया जाए। जो इनका गोल है IAS ऑफिसर बनने का, जिसकी बेसिक नॉलेज के लिए लैपटॉप की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। तो फैज़-ए-आम के एक वेलफिशर जनाब खलील अहमद साहब ने स्पॉन्सर किया और आज उन्हीं के हाथों जुवेरिया नाज को लैपटॉप दिया जा रहा है। और आगे वीडियो में आज के सेशन के आप झलकियाँ देख सकते हैं।
Currently, we used to stay in Arkela. We belongs to Medak district. Currently, I am residing in Hyderabad hostel to pursue my education. And I want to stay in Hyderabad for 3 years, more than 3 years. It takes 5 years, 8 years. I don't know that approximately. I want to tell you about my schooling. I have studied in a residential school, 7th to 10th. I have studied in Telangana Minority Residential School, which is formerly known as Temple Society. Later on, I have done my intermediate college of education from Telangana State Model Schools and Junior Colleges. Now I have enrolled for my graduation in BA Honours Political Science. I have a clear vision and aim in my life that I want to become an IAS. Currently, I am pursuing my BA Honours in Political Science. After completion of my graduation, definitely I will go with Masters in Political Science. And I want to tell you one thing, that we girls should be bold and independent. I have a dream that I have a self-confidence and courage that I can succeed with my confidence and courage. I want to let you know some points. This trust was inaugurated in 1983. As we all know that there are many students who are being benefited from this Faiz-e-Aam Trust. I will let you know the school beneficiaries are 392 and the college beneficiaries are 764 and the medical beneficiaries are 13 and other beneficiaries vocational beauty and all the are 23. My plan for my higher education is I will develop my skills in all the areas. I try to stay on the top of own in my personal research. I will ensure that my skills are up to date. While I am doing my graduation, I want to keep practicing as soon as possible to improve my skills in all over development. I have set up a long-term goal, that is an IAS. I will regularly mind my map. I will reach out the students' acquaintances, and I would like to say that analyze your strength and weaknesses. Please, if you have any weakness, please do increase. We all have dreams and aims. Dreams can't come true. Some of the dreams can't come true. If we have a goal, if we focus on that, we can succeed with our hard work, determination and self-confidence. I always believe in my self-confidence. We all have dreams, homes, aspirations. These are the driving factors of a human being, right? Dreams make your life worth living and keep us at spark that makes you want to do things. Each one of us has them, but only a few of us know how to follow the right path, how to follow a right career. All the success people have a set of rules, regulations, habits, principles. Then they can achieve their goals. You can make your dreams come true if you have a right mindset. Put the right effort on your studies and make a reasonable plan for that. There will be some ups and downs, but we should never lose our confidence and courage that we have in ourselves. You'll be more likely to reach your dreams, and that too many times wiser. Be specific about your dream. In which stream you are, go with that. Don't be confused with your dreams. You must know exactly what you want to become in your future. Being specific about your goals and dreams will help you to achieve it faster. One way to be very specific about it and keep it in your mind is to write is a diary or a journal. If you don't know what you are looking for, you won't be able to achieve that. Turn your dreams into burning desire. You have to burn it. You have to come with your desire. You will have to turn your dream into a never settling desire in your heart. Having a strong determination will boost your confidence. Be determined to yourself. Unless you turn a dream into a desire, you won't take it seriously. A dream sounds like something that you won't turn into a reality. Once it has become a desire, turn into your goal that you have to achieve no matter what happens. If there are any obstacles in your life, you have to come out of it. We have to face. Create a plan of action. When it comes to plan, you have to make your plan. What I want to become, what is the right way, in which path I should go, so I can succeed my career at the young age. When it comes to a plan, there is no other shoot fits all approach. Each plan depends upon the person making it and the dreams that they wish to accomplish. Each one of has different plans. You have a different plan, you have a different goal. I have a different plan, I have a different goal. So work on your plans, take it into an action. There are many short-term goals. Review your progress regularly. At what step you are. In how many years you are going to succeed. Now what am in future, what I want to become. It's very important to review your progress. To have a sense of that you have to accomplish. What I want to accomplish. Doing so will help you know what the goals you have achieved within a time period. You are still on the track. You have to decide what you want. You are still on the track. Maintain your confidence. Please, if anyone discriminates, never lose your confidence. Be bold. If you want to achieve your dreams, you must know that in the process, not everything will go as you have planned. If you plan that you want to become something, according to your plan, it will not execute. We have to face some obstacles, difficulties, but we have to come out of it. You can't get negative and pessimistic. Because of some failures in the way, even something goes wrong, stay positive. Don't be diverted. With your positiveness, you can achieve. Learn from failures. If you failed in the first attempt, never lose your hope. I can't do it. Say that I can do it. Can't will be replaced with I can do it. Failures are the great source of knowing what you have did. It reminds you of mistakes. So from the next time you won't repeat your mistakes. Don't fret about your losses and rather learn from them. Use your failure to get hungry for your success. Review what you did wrong and make sure that you don't repeat it next time. Remove your hurdles and distractions. Think about what keeping you away from your dreams. That thing is your hurdle. Maybe a toxic friend, a dead end relationship, or a bad habit. Avoid such limitations and see yourself that you are closer to your dreams. Just close your eyes, think that you have been accomplished with your dream. How you are feeling that if you have been accomplished with your dream? Drop your exit. At last, I would like to say one thing. Always have a connectivity with Faizan Trust. It is a main platform to connect each other in the studies. Either it may create an online platform where you can guide each other, can help each other. Use a productivity time during your study sections. Study and compete against your friends and do succeed. At last, I would like to enclose my speech. Thank you for being there for me, and I need the Faizan Trust. I request all the donors, secretary to help me till I succeed my goal. I need each day to keep me centered. I can't thank enough for your generous help. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. I am very glad to see you all. Thank you. The difficulties I have faced, no other one should face.
some questions. What made you to come to Hyderabad from all the way from Medak? What was the involvement?
There were no proper institutions that I can get a good education, quality of education. It was a very rural area. There were no roads, proper transportation. I used to stay in a hostel. This is my
No, in Medak.
method.
Medak में कहाँ है? You had your own family?
Yes.
Mother, father, sister, brothers.
Siblings.
So how they have allowed you to come to Hyderabad?
Actually, through those I have been allotted in a good university with my course. So I came here to pursue my education.
So they allowed you.
Yes.
So since how many years you have left your place?
Almost left. This is my 11th year.
You are away from home.
Yes.
So they have accepted.
I have to be independent. I should support my family. There is no other one that they can support my family. My elder brother is being disabled with 95%. Disabled person.
Yeah.
Even now he is preparing for IAS.
What does he do?
He completed his masters and graduation. Now he is preparing for civil services.
Acha, what your father does?
My father is
Earning, what is the earning of your
my
family?
father is not an earning person. He
Then-
is unable to walk.
Then who earns?
Nobody in my family is. My relatives were supportive to us. Even all of my siblings who were studying, they all studied in the government institutions. They completed their graduations. One of my brothers studying his electrical engineering in JNTU Sultanpur.
Yeah.
JNTU.
What are you doing now?
Pursuing second year, BTech second year. One of my sister, I approached our temporary society. Now she's into a job. I recommended my secretary that there are no one to financially help us. So he gave us a outsourcing basis at the data entry. After she was getting into a job, after 4 months of that, she got married.
You have told actually society, existing society or Harish Rao?
Actually,
What was the story?
Actually, my course which I have chosen is self-financed course. It was newly introduced course in Women's College. So my parents can't afford my expenses. That I can't study. Then I approached my principal. He was supportive me. He advises me through many areas. You can develop. Don't stop your studies. You can achieve. We are along with you. So he recommended. So I searched in the Google contact number of Harish Rao PA. Then I contacted him. Then he gave me an appointment. I met him for the first time. Then I told my... He's the finance health minister. Yes, sir. He's the health minister of Telangana. Actually, I was disappointed because he is the health minister. No, I am from education department. I thought that he might never help me because it was not related to health issue, right? It was education. So I approached for the first time. I told, so he said that, no, you can continue your studies. I am back of you. Then he recommended to Nampalli Exhibition Society. He is the chairman of Nampalli Exhibition Society. So I went there. Again I went to Tanjuri Harish Rao Garu to meet with him. He signed me. Within 2 days I got a check letter on my principal. Then I have submitted my fees to my principal.
How much amount?
27,700.
You got.
Yearly.
Year.
Independent she is and she is doing
Now the question is, how you have come to Faizan?
Actually, since last month, now the date is 8. No, this is my 1 month which I have been in Hyderabad. I was searching in the Google financial trust which is going to help. I have searched many trusts. I have contacted them very regularly. I used to contact them after my completion of my college timings. I used to contact them and I used to ask them help. But nobody has helped
You
me.
didn't contact us at that time. At that time you did not contact us.
I urge them, I plead them to request me that I am currently residing in Hyderabad. There is no one help to me. I used to walk, there were no transportation expenses to me. I used to walk from King Toti to Koti. It was very difficult situation to me.
Really?
And the many boys used to follow me. Many boys used to follow fear. It isn't new. This Hyderabad is very new place to me. The ways I used to confuse. Actually, I have a orientation in cyber crime and security. It was at 8:30 p.m. night. I was very new to the city. I don't know the buses route, and when I was going from assembly, I don't know the ways. Even I searched in the maps, but I didn't get the correct location that I can reach to the hostel. Asking them, I need them, but when I was searching in the Google, finally, luckily, I got the contact number of Faizan Plus. One day I approached here, but it was locked. But I thought it was my bad luck. But the second day when I completed my college, again.
What time कब आए थे आप? क्या टाइम पर आए थे? जब यहाँ पर आए थे first time
Evening
lock?
4:30. Around 4:30 I came here after completion of my Actually, I was the student of Cambridge from 7th to 10th standard.
Yes.
Due to it was very far. It was in Sangareddy. We used to live in Medak. Our home is far away from Medak to 25 kilometers. Then due to my health issue, low hemoglobin and all, my mom said that you can't do it. So I said that no, I can't. I will not stop. Then it was the last day examination fee. I went to principal and I asked that I will study here. The stream which I have chosen in my intermediate is CC. I did my intermediate college of education from CC. Then after one of my head office Cambridge Society, he is very known person to me, Naim sir. He is the AF of Medak district. So I got a call from head office that where you are studying now, you have been left with the Cambridge. But they were supportive. They said that you please don't left the Cambridge. But my mother unfortunately took me out of Cambridge. Then I met with the secretary B. Shafila, IFS. Then sir recommended me that you can stay in any Cambridge which is very near to Koti. He
Yeah,
gave me a free accommodation with
That's what
free food.
I want to tell them that
Dashing
if you
nature.
have
This is dashing capacity. She has,
if
she
you
has
want to
got-
do something, you should know the depth of it. अगर आपको कुछ करना है, कुछ बनना है, तो आपको उसकी नॉलेज होना चाहिए. हाथ में फोन है, गूगल है, you can search each and everything.
I want to share one thing about my mom. Actually, my elder brother was in interview in Bangalore. My second brother was going for the semesters. My two sisters got married, but my brother-in-laws were not supportive to us. By taking the tensions of my mother went into coma. It was before my counseling. 15 days along with my mother, alone. I stayed with my mother in ICU. The what we call expenses all were borne by Tanjali Harish Garu. I called him that my mother is in severe condition. There is nobody to help. I was in the government hospital. I can see my sister's house clearly. We were in the first floor, but no one has come and supported me. I didn't sleep till 15 days. Whole night I used to watch. I used to go and call. As you all know that the government nurses were very neglected. I used to go and ask the sister, now is the time for my mother for an injection. Nobody. If my brother quit the semesters, he can't succeed. He can't go up his education. If my elder brother comes from Bangalore, we can't support him. So I gave the courage. You won't come. You stay. Be there. You contact me. But I am the girl who take care of my mother. Even my father were suffering from high fever. I called and I told my friend, please provide food to my father. I'm with my mother. No other relatives came to me. I'm only the one. 15 days I took care of my mother. I used to speak frequently about doctors, what next. The difficulties which I